What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? With y'all, what's good? We tuning in for another video, and today I'm going to pick up Tran, man. We just got the call. DJ said it ready, showtime. Probably ain't gonna have time to really fool with it or nothing, cause it's supposed to rain, supposed to be coming in, it being cloudy, not cloudy, all that. So without further ado, short intro, man. Finna get trailer loaded up, finna head out. All right, we back, man. We got Tran all strapped down. It's back. We finna boogie back to the house real quick. We gotta meet somebody and look at that. So I'm gonna try to get ahead of the rain, man. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna holler at y'all, give y'all the update call. Believe me, I got some stuff to update y'all on with Tran, and it definitely needed this. All right, y'all, it's the next day. So I'm gonna have to give y'all the report. But today we testing too. We testing, but before, I'm just throwing this in the vlog. If you ain't been on Facebook, then you ain't seen. But I got to show y'all, me and wifey new pickup, man. This gonna be the new daily driver. Bam! Hey, man, we just grabbed this. I mean, it was a spur of the moment, literally, for real. It was just one of them things rolled by. It was it's a car local to us. Saw it. We stopped and looked at it one day. I just did a quick little walk around cause they had the price in the window. And the price was amazing, man. The price on it, the deal was amazing. So I was like, me and wifey actually prefer to drive older cars than newer cars as daily drivers. Like, we really don't even like driving newer cars. So this literally is gonna be a daily driver. It's a Mercury Grand Marquis. Look at it. Man, the basket still look new. When I say everything works, it's clean. I mean, this joker clean, man. It's clean, y'all. I'm talking about for real. Look at the top. We gonna drive this joker every day. Man, folks on Facebook thought I was playing, man. I'm talking about, I ain't doing nothing. We ain't doing nothing to it, seriously. No people say it's a Ford, man. Jay, you need to do it. Hey, I'm not doing nothing. I ain't doing nothing to it. Driving it every day. This car run good. We're gonna do valve cover gaskets, tune up, spark plugs. I'm gonna put a new AC compressor on it. Even though the one ain't locked up, it good. I'm gonna put a new AC compressor on it and all that, man, just so it's just everything. And drive it every day. It runs amazing. Telling you, I'm finna move it now. Got a 5.0 in it, fuel injected. Man, 91 Mercury Grand Marquis. This baby ready. So they're gonna be me and wifey, new daily driver, for real. Cause y'all just didn't know, man, we in the process of buying just older model vehicle to drive it dailies. So, let me show you. Look at this baby run so good, boy. Woo, woo, woo. The older boy, she run good. She run good, man. So I had to show y'all that, man. This new pickup. But I'm finna move this thing so we get Tran so I can beat this cloud, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right, we got old Tran all filled up. Put some E in it, cause it was definitely low. If we gonna get the dragon, one of them was dead. probably need a tester. The Lincolns probably need a tester, man. Other than that, feel a whole lot better. A whole lot better. Let's see what they do. Y'all, we checking in. So, Tran back in the stable. I'm about to get ready to clean up the shop for a little bit. But all in all, man, Tran moving. Tran moving good, man, but y'all can't see cause I ain't put the before footage up. I might drop it on Instagram or something, but I made a pad, man, that joke was rolling. That was before the clutches will burn up, which is what was wrong with the transmission, man. I told y'all I was gonna tell y'all what was going on and stuff, but this joke had burn up clutches. I thought it might have been some more stuff burn up, but all the clutches were burnt. They were toasted. They were pushing fluid out. It was quite a few things wrong with it. But shout out to Showtime transmission rebuild, man. DJ, hey, he did it again. This baby ready. It didn't go the fast as it went in the Mexico because it got on the rev limiter then, but if it didn't get on that rev limiter that first pass, cause it got on the rev limiter, and I was hung up calling like this joker feeling good. Then I be trying to remember go up, not back, cause all of my other cars are reverse manual valve body. This one forward manual. So I be like, don't pull it back. I be trying to think, go forward. And man, I got the overthinking, the car feeling good. So I hit the rail limiter, and you probably heard it say, and I boom, shifted it. But that baby ain't smoking, cause the last time I made that pass, me and wife went out, man, that joker was smoke trail. It was moving now, but that joker was smoke trail, boy. Just, whoo. I said, ooh-wee. So I'm glad we got it back. And I know, man, I ain't put no vlog up in a long time. Man, but hey, I was waiting on Tran. Cause I really ain't doing nothing with the other cars right now. Driving, that's it. But I ain't really been doing nothing as far as extravagant or nothing, turning wrenches or none of that. So it like, you know, this the car, this my project. So that's why I ain't been vlogging nothing, man. I've been putting up little short stuff, but I ain't been vlogging nothing cause this what I've been having going on. So Tran back now, and now we can finish up. I can put the door panel on, man. Rick get the regulator put in on the passenger side, get the door panel finally put on. Then I can put my brand new console in, have that looking like something. I can get the 6x9 cut in, and this finally get these put on, man. We got to get these put on. This what I got. The Raleigh's got to get on there. The relays, and then I got a brand new air cleaner. I got a brand new air cleaner, so I can have the mesh and net and everything right here like it should be. Put the mesh net back through there, and then I done got it figured out. So when I'm going to the track, them little breathers coming off, cause they're restriction. That one little breather, that small breather is a restriction. It's a serious restriction. So when I go into the track, I'm gonna be taking the whole air cleaner off, removing the breather, fresh airflow down through there, and then it's gonna do what it do. So next thing that, like I said, it been stuff happening, I just ain't vlogged. next thing is that I'm building a carburetor for this car myself. I'm building a custom carburetor. I got the main body and stuff. I just post pictures here on Facebook and on Instagram. Like I said, YouTube, it's not really a platform for pictures and stuff, so I don't be posting that little subtle stuff over here. But when I'm doing video, I show everything. And then, like I said, I got the car. We got the Mercury. Y'all seen that? We got the Mercury Grand Marquis. So it just be little stuff happening, man. But it be stuff where I'm like, I want to make a whole vlog about it. So we got a lot of stuff shaking. And I'm finna change the water pump on this thing, because I'm pretty sure the water pump burned up. I'm pretty sure that's the main part of this cooling issue I'm having with this car. But yeah, that carburetor, I'm building my own carburetor. It's gonna make more power too, I guarantee. So I'm building, this is a 4150 style carburetor. It's an E85 4150 style. So what I'm gonna do, I know how much power this car makes to the wheels. It's been on the dyno. I know exactly how much it makes to the wheel. So I'm building a 1050 CFM 4150 carburetor. So basically it's gonna look like that. It's gonna look like your traditional style. I already got the main body, man. It's nice too. It's a nice piece. So basically this your 1050 Dominator. So I'm gonna have one of these in a body style like this. But trust me, that main body is official, boy. They got angular boosters, they big, venturi, everything. But it's gonna be this style carburetor, but this CFM. Man, that joke gonna ride. Blue is light, oversized carb. So that's what's going on. But man, I'm about to straighten this shop up, cause I've been having a lot going on and all that. So I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, man. We finna be back rolling on the daily now, cause I got Tran back and this the car and turning wrenches on and stuff at the moment. So I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.